I'm Monica and welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you how to make a classic, simple, open-faced sandwich called Zapiekanka. Famous among students in Krakow, famous among tourists in Krakow. They go to Kazimierz and stay in queues to get it. So I'm going to be making three different kinds of Zapiekankas. Górlaska, which is in translation mountain one, a Greek one and a classical one. The most important ingredients that you need is probably bread. I use a French bread and a honey whole wheat bread. You're gonna need to saute some mushrooms. You're gonna need some cheese. I use the mozzarella and then provolone. You can also use Gouda. For the Greek one, I don't use mushrooms. I use feta, olives and some paprika. And for the mountain one, I use polska kiełbasa, Polish sausage, and oscypek. Oscypek is a cheese made from salted sheep milk, made in Poland in the region of Tatra Mountains. To add more texture and flavor to my zapiekanka, I'm gonna finish it up with some fried onion and some chives. I start the recipe by sauteing the mushrooms. I wash them, then dry them, and then slice them in half-inch pieces. Perfect addition for mushrooms is garlic, so I'm gonna peel and chop 2 teeth of garlic, but you can also mince it in a garlic press. Next, I am warming up some butter with a bit of oil and then putting in there all the mushrooms. Let them simmer for about 5 minutes so they soft and start to get browny. Add salt and pepper. To add some additional flavor, I use about 2 teaspoons of teriyaki sauce and then add the chopped or minced garlic. Very simple and easy, and it's done. For the Górlaska zapiekanka, I start with incising the kiełbasa and then putting in a frying pan and into the oven on a low broil for 5 minutes. So while kiełbasa is getting ready, take the bread, cut it longwise and put on top of it the mushrooms. Next most important ingredient that you cannot forget about is cheese. So put as much cheese as you can fit into zapiekankas, so it's yummy and the cheese melts and it's just delicious. As I mentioned before, I am not putting mushrooms on top of the Greek zapiekanka. I'm just using olives and then I'm gonna add some feta cheese. To add some texture, I'm gonna slice the red paprika and then put it on top and in between the feta cheese. So I transport all the zapiekankas into a baking sheet covered with aluminium foil, and then I will cover one with provolone and the other one with oscypek. I can hear my kiełbasa is ready. I'm gonna take it out. That looks delicious. Before you cook the kiełbasa, make sure that you incise it so all the fat comes out. And for the zapiekanka, I use 1/4 of the slices. I found that they fit the best. For the final part of my masterpiece, I'm topping the Górlaska zapiekanka with the sausage and then adding as much provolone cheese as I can. Remember that it is crucial that you add all the cheese that you prepared. Top the Greek one, add to all the others, but use it all. Last thing we need to do is put all the zapiekankas in the oven. So I keep them on a low broil until the cheese melts. One thing that I learned during cooking is if I make too many zapiekankas, I can always put it in a bag from the bread that it came from and then put it in a freezer and I have it whenever I need to. So after about 10 minutes on low broil and then 3 minutes on high broil, I take them out. They look delicious. Bread is crunchy, the paprika is crunchy, the cheese is melted. For the final touch, I'm adding chopped chives and then the crunchy fried onion. Poles also love zapiekankas with ketchup or with garlic sauce, but you never have to add them. I hope you enjoyed that time spent with me. If you go to Krakow, please make sure that you try one. Tell me what you think about Zapiekanka and smacznego. See you next time! By the way, the drink of choice for Poles for Zapiekanka is light beer.